The future of clean energy. Solar panels transform sunlight into electricity, powering homes across the globe. Wind turbines spin gracefully, generating clean energy that reduces our carbon footprint. Advanced battery systems store this renewable power, ensuring consistent electricity even during cloudy days. Electric vehicles charge from these same clean sources, creating a sustainable transportation network. This green technology revolution isn't just about innovation, it's about protecting our planet for future generations. Countries worldwide are investing in renewable infrastructure, recognizing that clean energy is essential for our survival. As we embrace this transformation, we're building a world where sustainable living becomes the standard, not the exception.